Electric vehicles are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They are a present-day reality. They are here, they are stylish, and they are efficient, and they are changing how we drive and think about transportation. More and more people are choosing electric cars, vans, and even trucks for their daily commutes and business needs. This shift towards electric is driven by a growing awareness of climate change, a desire for cleaner air in our cities, and the need for sustainable solutions. Governments worldwide are encouraging this transition with incentives and regulations to promote EV adoption, making it easier for consumers to make the switch. As a result, car manufacturers are investing heavily in electric vehicle technology, leading to a wider variety of models and lower prices, making EVs more accessible. The future of driving is electric, and it's an exciting time to be part of this revolution as we move towards a more sustainable world.
The rise of electric vehicles is not just about the cars themselves. It's about a broader transformation in our transportation systems. It's, about a fundamental shift in how we think about transportation, moving towards a more sustainable model. EVs are quieter than gasoline-powered vehicles, significantly reducing noise pollution in bustling cities. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air and a healthier environment for everyone.
The transition to electric vehicles also reduces our dependence on fossil fuels, promoting energy independence and combating climate change. As we move towards a more sustainable future, electric vehicles will play a crucial role in creating a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for future generations.
The future of our planet depends on our ability to transition to cleaner energy sources, which is crucial for sustainability. Electric vehicles are a critical part of this transition, playing a significant role in reducing emissions, offering a viable and sustainable alternative to gasoline-powered transportation. By choosing electric, we're not just choosing a different car, we're making a conscious decision for the environment. We're choosing a different future, one that is cleaner and more sustainable.
As we move towards a more sustainable future, it's important to remember that every choice we make matters. By embracing electric vehicles, we can significantly reduce our environmental impact, create a cleaner and healthier planet for ourselves and future generations to enjoy.
The road to a fully electric future is paved with innovation, excitement, and a commitment to a sustainable future. As battery technology continues to improve, charging infrastructure expands, and more affordable EV models hit the market, the transition to electric transportation will only accelerate rapidly.
The future is electric, and it's a future filled with cleaner air, quieter streets, and a healthier planet for all. Get ready to plug in and join the exciting ride.